All right, here we've got a Whirlpool Duet washing machine, about 4 to 5 years old, of which after the cycle runs, the drum is starting to fill with water. So let's fix that. So the first thing you're going to want to do, just to drain the water, and while we're working on it, is to unplug it from the power source, and we're going to wait about 30 seconds. You'll want to go ahead and plug that back in, and it will automatically start draining the water in your drum. Okay, so now that you have that drained, we are going to want to unplug it again. We're going to be working on it, pulling it out, and taking out the back cover. So of course you'll want to have that unplugged. Okay, so first we need to unscrew all of the mounting screws. And we have to take these out. Alright, set that over here. Now we need to take this top part off, which has 2 bolts. Alright, now that that's been unscrewed, this just slides forward and up. Set this aside. Here's the piece we're going to be replacing. Looks a little bit like this. Next step is we're going to have to undo these hoses. So make sure that you turn off your water valves or you're going to make a complete mess.